Here's 6 local laws and customs in Qatar for World Cup fans to be mindful of not breaking. 1. Alcohol. It is illegal to import alcohol into Qatar, so you cannot buy alcohol in duty-free and enter Qatar at Doha Airport, being your final destination. When it comes to drinking alcohol in Qatar, it is allowed, but under particular conditions, including you must be over the minimum legal age, which is 21. You are drinking alcohol in private or on permitted premises, which is licensed to sell alcohol like a hotel, restaurant and bar. Drinking alcohol in public is a crime, as is being drunk and disorderly in public. If you break the law, expect the alcohol to be confiscated, to be arrested, detained and convicted for an alcohol-related offence, and to be sentenced, to be issued a fine or to a term of imprisonment. E.g., drinking in public carries a maximum sentence of 6 months in prison, while selling alcohol illegally carries a maximum sentence of 3 years in prison. In worst cases, you could also be deported. Please do check the law whether drinking alcohol is legally permitted at particular designated fan zones and the rules of the hotel you're staying at. 2. Drugs. Qatar has a zero tolerance policy for drugs related offences such as possession, supply and importation of drugs. But the penalties in Qatar are severe for even the smallest amounts of drugs involved, including fines, lengthy prison sentences, deportation, and even the death penalty for serious drug trafficking. Also, be aware that over-the-counter medicine in your home country may be a controlled drug in Qatar. So if you need to take prescription medicine away with you to Qatar, make sure you have your prescription on hand or a certified letter from your GP doctor detailing the drug, the quantity and the dosage you take to avoid legal consequences. 3. E-cigarettes. Since 2014, laws in Qatar do not allow for the sale, purchase or importation of e-cigarettes, vapes, liquids or related products. If these are found in your baggage at the airport, Qatar border officers are likely to confiscate them. The sentence for the sale, purchase or even advertisement of the product can range from heavy fines to several months in prison. 4. Offensive behaviour. Swearing and making rude gestures are considered obscene acts and offenders can be jailed and or deported. So take particular care when dealing with police officers, other officials and opposing fans. 5. Dress. In Qatar, dressing modestly in public is important. Wearing the headscarf in public is not a legal requirement. Both men and women are advised, however, not to wear shorts or sleeveless tops. If you do, you may be denied entry into government buildings, healthcare facilities and shopping malls. So, taking your top off may have potential consequences, including heat stroke. And 6. Relationships. In Qatar, relationships are considered a private matter and public displays of intimacy, regardless of gender or sexual orientation, can be an offence. Homosexual relations are illegal in Qatar. However, as per the UK travel advice during the World Cup, the Qatari administration has publicly confirmed that there are no restrictions on non-married friends or couples, including LGBT, staying in the same room. Please read the updated advice to Qatar on local laws and customs before you travel. Please feel free to comment, follow, like and share. And let's bring it home.